Alright, we're now on Mayhew Rd and Folsom Blvd. Some more Polara iNS buttons.
Wait to cross Mayhew Rd at Folsom Blvd.
Traveling east. Wait.
Going east. Same one on this side in iNS.
Wait to cross Mayhew Rd at Folsom Blvd.
Traveling west. Wait.
It's kind of behind a little pole here. Now let's go to this one where you cross the Folsom Blvd.
Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Mayhew Rd.
Traveling north. Wait.
Oh, surprised that one doesn't show a countdown. I'll show the countdown. No, it doesn't. I think the countdown might be broken on this one. Well, it's already red, even though I never pressed it, but...
Wait.
Wait to cross Folsom Blvd at Mayhew Rd.
Traveling south.
Well, the last time went on, I think this button might be broken. I have no idea why. So that button over there is broken. The countdown's not working. There might be something wrong with it. You really need to come out and fix it. Like these work just fine, but that one does not work at all. I have no idea why. Well, I'm gonna find a different intersection now. See ya.